Hi, welcome to a new episode on Sari Look on Mahashtami by dailydose.com. So let me tie my hair into a quick bun and I'll take VLCC SPF 25 sunscreen, put some few drops on my skin and blend it evenly on my face, and also I'll take a few more drops on my neck area and cover it up as well. Then I am using Fit Me Pore foundation from Maybelline. I am using a gentle amount so that the entire pores on my skin looks a little covered, and I'll blend it evenly under my eyes and on my forehead and on my cheek area as well. Once I'm done with this, I'll use Obvious Cosmetics highlighter and contour palette. So I'm using the brightest shade over there. After that being done, I'll apply a few amount on my brow region to make it look fuller. Then I'll take a little more on my nose and on the sides of the nose and on my cheeks as well, so that my face looks a little more chiseled. On being done, I'll use my fingers to blend it evenly on my face, so that the extra marks on the lines, the sharper dark lines, are not visible anymore. So honestly, you will have to work a little harder with your fingers in order to blend it evenly so that the marks are not visible that much. Then I'll be blending it evenly on the sides of my nose as well, and any extra remnant amount, if something is there, that also I'll be blending it off. Again, I'll take the dark brown shade and put it on my jawline and cheek, because I want to look even more chiseled, because I want a chiseled look, so that's why. So once I'm done with that, I'll take a Maybelline brow pencil and draw my brows so that it looks a little fuller. So on being done with the brows, as you can see, I'll use a transition shade on my eyes. Then I'll use a little darker one in order to make a cut crease over there. So now, as the cut crease being done, I'll blend it off with the outer corner of my eyes, so that the outer corner looks a little darker compared to the inner corner, and that will give me a cut crease look. Then I'll take a little shiner hue and blend it over on the middle section of my eyelid, as you can see. Then I'll take a little more lighter shade, and on the top part of my eyes, just below the brows, I'll put that so that it gives me the transition. Then I'm taking the Faces Magnetic Eyes eyeliner, and I'll make a little thicker line on the outer side compared to the inner core, and I'll try to make a winged liner by adding a little flick on the sides of the lines. Once that being done, I'll try to understand that if both the eyes are looking exactly of the same shape, otherwise it will give me an odd look. Then I'm using a streetwear kajal which is black in shade, and I'm trying to apply it on the waterline of my eye and a little down as well, but the full eye I'm not covering, leaving a little space for the next golden eyeliner. So if you can notice, I have applied half the way of my waterline, and the remaining half I have kept separate and open. Now I'm using a Blue Heaven gold eye pencil, and the inner corner of the waterline I have applied them. I have applied quite a handsome amount. Then I'll switch to the mascara from Wet n Wild, and I'll make my eyelashes look a little brighter and wider with it. Once I'm done with the eyes, I'm using Wet n Wild blush, Ombre blush, and I'm covering my cheek region, on my nose region, and a little amount on my forehead as well. I will be applying. With that, I'm using Simply Pretty pink blush from Avon. So as you can see, a cute brush I'm using in order to cover it up. Then I have used Maybelline lipstick in the shade of 15. So lipstick, I have chosen a brighter shade of red so that it can amp up my day look. I have not highlighted my eyes, neither I have highlighted my cheekbones, so I made my lips look a little brighter. With that, ta-da! I'm done. So I'm wearing a soft dhakai in the brighter shade of yellow and paired it off with a colorful blouse and some glass bangles and some small jhumkas and of course a red bindi. Please let me know how much you have liked my Ashtami look, and please don't forget to like, share and of course subscribe to dailydose.com. Bye bye.